Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. I kick off this video by asking a question. Can we plot a 2D function directly in Origin by feeding the function to Origin? The answer is yes. So let me explain how can we plot a function directly feeding it in Origin. For this purpose, you need to come to this button, New 2D Plot, and click it to open a window like this one. Here you are choosing the number of points at this position, and over here you put the value of variable, and in this case I put it the starting point -2 and the other one to +2, and then I write the function over here, and I'm feeding the function exponent -x times cos of 5 times x. Okay, you can add some function directly by clicking at this arrow. So there are different mathematical function, a long list of functions and other thing over here, but I'm not interested in that. And then clicking the OK button would directly plot the function, and you can modify the function format from here, for example, or you can click to change the symbols from here, right? You can convert the circle into any one symbol you choose from here. For example, if I want to plus this by asterisk, and from here you can change the color. So I would add a color like red over here, and then clicking the apply button would convert that accordingly. Right, so you can modify the figure like this. At this position, the information about the initial value of the horizontal axis, which we are taking as x-axis, and the incremental change in the value of x are given. You can change this value by selecting the whole value and just putting this, let's say, equal to x. And similarly, you can change this to a function f of. At the end, let me remind, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Mixed, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button on the video too. Thanks for watching.